In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil and reset the oil light in a 2019 Chevy Silverado. This video will also be the same for a 2020 through 2023 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. To get started, open the hood, locate the oil cap and the dipstick. Remove the oil cap, remove the dipstick, clean it off, insert it back in, then remove it, and then check the oil level. Then you can raise the vehicle up. Then you can remove the drain plug. This is a 15mm, let the oil drain out. Then after the oil is done draining, reinstall the drain plug and then tighten it up. Then locate the oil filter, then use an oil filter wrench to remove it, let it drain out. Then reinstall the new oil filter. And if you're going to be rotating your tires, the lug nuts are a 22mm and they're torqued to 140 foot-pounds. And a quick tip, if you got the factory lug nuts with the chrome coating on them, they get swelled up over time. What you can do is use this 22.5mm socket. But what you're going to want to do in the future is replace them with a solid lug nut. Then lower the vehicle back down. Then fill it up with oil of 0W20. This engine takes 8 quarts of oil. Then to reset the oil light, turn the key to the on position, use your knob on the dash until you find remaining oil life, press it in, then go up to yes, and then press it in again, and your oil life will be reset to 100%. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.